What's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with more tech, more reviews, and this time I'm back with a full mic kit. Yes, mic kit. This is from the company Tonor. This is the Q9 Studio mic kit, and I cannot wait to get this thing open. So let's check it out. So this is it, the mic kit. This is a Tonor mic kit. This is the Q9. Now, when you get this thing open, you're gonna get some instructions and things on the inside. Now, I did take a peek on the inside before I got to this video. That's why this is already open, but this is all that I opened. I just wanted to see what the mic looked like.
Some of the old songs. As time goes by. Been a long time.
So this is everything that you actually get in the box with this device. Now, you actually get a thick base right here. So this is a pretty much attached to any size table, because as you can see, the width from here to here, it goes all the way down. So that's one piece. You get your USB right here that's going to connect to your mic. You get your steel shock mount right here. You get your filter that goes on the mic, and your filter that you can put out in front of it. And then you get your adjustable arm right here. So what I'm gonna do is get this set up, hook it up, and let you guys know what I think about it. But before we do that, let's talk about this and do a little real estate. This is the actual microphone itself. You notice you have a volume up and down button right here. We will get an LED once we get that connected. This can connect to your cell phone, your computer, as well as your gaming systems. This is a cardioid mic. It only picks up right here in the front, and it will pick up some on the sides. It also has a 16mm diaphragm right there in the middle, located there, and it should sound pretty good. So let's go ahead and get it hooked up, and we'll test it out.
Some of the old songs. For old time's sake. As time goes by. Been a long time.
So now I'm actually talking to you on this microphone. I'm using it right here. Notice you do have your LED. It lights up once you plug it into your device. Right now I have this plugged into my Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and I am doing my testing. So this mic is about 1.5 to 2 feet away from my face, and I'm trying to see how it's going to sound. And then what I will do is play this back, listen to it, and I will give you guys my thoughts on it. Notice we have volume up and down button right here. I'm turning the volume up, I'm turning it back down, but notice there is no way to tell how high this is actually going. So I don't know what the volume is doing. I'm pressing it and I'm trying to see what is going to be the outcome. Like I said, I'm going to go back and listen to this, and then I'll give you my final take at the end of this video. So I'm going to press the volume button about 10 times just to make sure that we get maximum volume. Like I said, I don't know how to tell or how to gauge how high this volume is. So I pressed it a whole bunch of times. There we go. And now what I'm going to do is just press it a lot going back down, just to see if we get any differences in that volume or if it varies. So here's my actual take on this mic. It's a very solid build. Even though we don't know what the volume button actually correlates to, it does work. As you could tell towards the end of my video, I was able to play the volume way up high, and then I was able to take it way down low, and you could barely hear anything that I was saying. And I think it actually kind of went out towards the end there, but you got good sound coming from this. Not staticky at all, not hearing any static. The extension on the arm goes a good ways out, so I'm able to pretty much use this no matter where I'm sitting at my desk from this angle. I'm not using the mic right now. I'm just using my standard mic on my phone that I normally record with, but this is a pretty decent microphone. So volume up, volume down, when you press them, they go up, they go down. And then if you actually long hold either one of those, it will actually mute this device. So you got a mute feature, you got the toggle on your volume up and down, you got a nice steady arm, all the clamps and everything kind of fit in really well, and they lock off really nice, and you don't have any wobbling or any weighing down. It's not too heavy, feels really good, and it's a pretty solid device. Now this whole kit is going to cost you about 69 bucks. You're going to get the arm, you're going to get all this, that $69 price point. I think this is a good starter mic if you're starting out trying to vlog or blog or do YouTube videos. I think this thing will really come in handy. And I really suggest that you get a mic of some sort, just because it helps out a lot with your videos. I normally use a couple of my standing mics that kind of just stand on the table, but this one is probably going to be one that I would kind of keep by, because I can just kind of pull it to me whenever I need, and it'll probably stay right here at my table. So once again, this is the Tonor Q9. This is going to run you about 69 bucks, but you get this whole kit. You get everything that you saw in my video. You get the arm, you get the mount, you get the mic, you get the cord, the cable, you get all that. Also the filters, you get those as well. Hopefully this has been able to help someone out. Until next time, be sure and give me a big thumbs up, and please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.